Alright, D.Va now? Go D.Va.
Oh, they're huge anti.
Popping out.
Ryan, no. Ryan on our supports. Kill the Ryan.
Ryan's.
I'm on point. Popping back. I almost have ult from that.
Alright, they built a decent amount of grav. They farmed a lot of my mech.
How much?
Don't fight here. We're not
Yeah,
6.
yeah. I'm getting back.
Lucio on the left.
Stop the payload.
Let's try to get Grav first, and then see if we can get Rhino from the Grav.
Kill the Ryan. Just focus his shield down for now.
He used bubble.
Bubbles.
Popping out.
Ryan.
Ryan, discard, Ryan, discard.
Ryan. Kill the Ryan. He's one. Hey, Ryan's got it.
Everyone shoot Ryan.
Slam it.
Zarya. Kill the Zarya in it. Zarya in it.
Zarya first.
Gotta kill the Zarya. Have to kill the Zarya.
She's low.
Keep speeding. We can get this.
Still kill the
Be
Zarya.
on speed.
It was on.
Alright, kill the brig.
I got her.
They have grab. Careful.
Yep.
I'm
transfer it.
They have slam too. They have slam, grav, maybe bomb, and then trance. I want to say.
Okay. I have bomb for when
You
they come
use
in.
transfer the first one. If we need to, I'll use beat for the second one.
Okay.
Do you want me to bomb as they come in or no? We need to get bubbles out first, so.
Yeah, just see if we can get a big one.
Yep.
Because we need to use it first.
My shield's dead.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Okay. This on cart.
Yeah, no
Die.
more.
Alright, we have another fight for a second. They still have grav, bomb, and then trance.
Okay. Wait for me before we start pushing out. If they want to
Okay.
grab early, I need to be able to at least try to eat it.
What?
Oh, what?
My mouse broke.
Okay.
How'd it break?
Do we want to get Colton in here?
He is.
Oh, is he? Oh.
Ah.
Didn't know that.
Off on.
What is the current time? I'll have slow.
Okay. R.
Take off caps lock. What the fuck?
No.
I removed my caps lock because I kept pressing it.
Alright, I'll have slam this fight.
Still bit far back.
They're gonna be looking for
Yeah.
caps.
I'm using. Gonna get charged. Popping back.
I'm bombing point.
Heal,
I'm bombing
heal,
point.
heal,
I'm bombing point.
Need heals, I need heals.
Yep.
Giving it.
Wait, where at?
Burn that
Ryan, discord. Ryan,
Break the
discord.
shield. Break the shield.
Ryan. Burn Ryan.
I'm gonna bomb now in 3, 2.
Ryan. Kill Zarya. Zarya, they got bumped into us. Zarya.
Oh my god, sorry about that.
Run, Ryan.
Get Ryan. Popping in.
Ryan, discord.
I'm still on
Fine.
charge. You fighting.
Yep.
I'm gonna bop out Ryan again.
Still killing Ryan.
Lucy 1. Nice.
Nice. D.Va? Can we switch D.Va? Switch D.Va.
I'm healing.
We gotta have trance this big.
Keep fighting it.
I have.
Stall as much time as you can.
Oh, I'm 80 slam.
People who are respawning, just abandon the point. Go back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We have Grav coming up. You can.
They have slam, beat, and did they use rally there?
I think they did.
Might...
Yeah, Zen had a
But
lot.
they only
on
have
him.
slam and beat. They only have slam and beat.
Careful, Zen. Can we get our Zen out?
Yeah.
Speeding out.
Okay.
Oh, speed back in now.
Focus the barrier. If they lose shield before us, we should win.
We have bomb coming up.
We're almost
You grab bomb.
Yeah.
Ryan, no.
I'm ready now.
You use trance if we need.
Oh, he's asleep.
What? I got.
Eating again.
Okay, use bomb. Shatter.
Alright. Bombing.
Big slam,
Ryan,
big
discord.
slam.
Ryan, discord.
Nice.
Big.
Spawn.
Kill the Ryan.
Fuck. Okay, we're up.
Nice.
Healing.
Push it.
Speed.
Kill this Lucio. Lucio point. Lucio. Push the
Brig,
brig. Brig. Kill the brig.
Need to get back. My shield's low. Like shield.
So what, so
what? We have no speed. We have no speed.
No speed. Gas, gas, gas. You wanna step on the gas?
Wait, what are they?
Oh,
What are they
big
gonna
hand.
have? What are they gonna have?
They're gonna have grav.
Yeah, definitely grab.
Okay, you use
I try.
transport.
Yeah, they don't have bomb either,
Big
so.
tank pieces there.
Ryan, Discord.
Okay, just
Nigga,
focus
Lucio,
around.
right
We gotta look
side.
for bomb shatter.
My
Bomb
shield's
shatter.
low.
We're looking for bomb shatter right now.
And focus the Ryan shield, focus the Ryan shield.
I'm dead. I'm dead. My
Ryan,
shield's
no,
low.
no, 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 Ryan. Kill the Ryan, kill the Ryan, kill the Ryan.
Oh my
Alright, kill
god.
the... Zarya, Zarya,
Just
Zarya.
keep him over there if you can. Speed around, speed around.
See if we can kill the
I'm
Zarya,
dead.
she's no personal. Zarya no personal. Get on the grab if you can. I'm
Big.
Zarya, can we kill Zarya?
I can't heal from
Here,
there.
get on there, Zarya. I got ult for you. No,
Ryan.
I just wasted. Wow.
No one can touch.
All systems
Complete. Score 0-3. Switching sides.
Okay.
Initiate
Just go goat.
match.
Alright.
We're gonna do our signature go spooky around.
Ready for battle.
It's a bait.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
If we're going for a grab play, I think we should try to like put pressure on the diva so she has to like burn matrix and start making calls about that.
Go right side.
Defend objective A.
Right side?
So-
Oh shit, my bad.
Oh,
Problem with
that's
that
fine.
is she just stands behind Ryan's shield.
Yeah, that's true.
We can't really put pressure on the diva.
Okay, go all the way right side.
Ryan's shield.
Right side up top.
They're sitting left, they're sitting left.
Okay, we can just take high ground from them. Okay, come out here. No, they're going.
They're
Go all the way
rotating.
around. Go all the way around. Speed up top behind them on the staircase. Going now.
Oh, I slapped somebody.
Okay,
It's,
okay, okay.
it's very good. It's very on point.
Do you see Zen over there?
Yeah, can we jump on Zen? He's
Yeah,
separated,
dead. He's
separated.
Discorded over there. I'm on low ground though.
He went all the way around.
Yeah, he went all the way around. Just burn Ryan's shield.
Any help,
burn
any
Ryan's
help,
shield.
any
Ryan's shield low. Ryan's shield low. Kill the Ryan.
Ryan, Discord. Ryan, Discord.
I'm speeding in further on. Bopping out.
Ryan.
I'm 200 health. My berry's low. My berry's
Heal up,
low.
heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up.
Focus
We're
that
trying.
Diva now. Diva mech 1.
Heal up, heal up, heal up. Keep backing away.
Alright. The Ryan's
Hey,
shield
got Bop.
should still be low.
Alright.
He's reading
Bopped the Ryan out.
all of it now.
Ryan's asleep.
Ryan.
Ryan's asleep.
We kill Ryan.
Bopping out again.
Ryan, Discord.
Ryan, kill that Ryan. He's way out of position. He's close to Shatter too.
We need to heal up for a second.
Yeah.
We have Grav if they push in.
We have trans.
I'll have,
Please load him.
I have slam soon.
Alright, I can go ahead and ult you, Ryan, if you'd like.
3, 2,
Ryan is-
1. Speeding in. Bopping out.
No.
Big.
Kill the Ryan. Kill the Ryan. Kill the Ryan.
Got him.
Huge.
Bring it sleep. Bring it
Huge.
sleep.
Wait,
Kill the
wait,
Ryan,
wait,
kill the
wait,
Ryan,
wait,
kill the
wait.
Ryan, kill the Ryan. Huge shatter. Kill the Zarya.
Somewhere else we can.
Nice. Did they grab? They did not. Nope. Did they shatter?
No,
No,
they didn't. I don't think
they
they
died
used. They
first.
used trance. They used trance, and that's it. Unless they used rally too.
I don't know. Yeah, I know these trades that's all I
No,
know.
they did not use rally.
Okay. Let's just look to see if we can kill the Ryan first. If not, then if we get
Hey,
big
Cards
ults,
Zarya's
don't
one.
use ult.
Just focus Ryan shield.
I'm letting
Wanna
shield
pick it up.
recharge so we can win these shield wars.
They're pushing up
Yeah.
a lot.
So how well?
We got Bop out Ryan.
Yeah.
Ryan, Discord. Ryan, Discord.
They're gonna grab when we come around the corner. Careful.
I'll
Can you
grab
trust
first.
your
I'll
eyes?
grab
Everything
first.
I'm waiting for it.
Oh fuck.
I'm
You're good,
bombing
you're
here,
good.
bombing here, bombing here, bombing here, bombing here. Nice, go to
I
right.
thought somebody. I don't.
There's a
sure
brig on the
who-
left side behind you.
Break.
Right, 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 right.
Speed, 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 go.
Get on to Zarya. Or kill this Zen. Zen.
Someone get on cart. Yeah.
Okay,
that's
we
not
have Shatter
right.
here. We can do Bop Shatter.
They use Shatter Grav. They have Bomb, Beat,
Okay.
and Rally. I want to say.
Let's look to Bop Shatter, and if we need extra sustain, I can Lucio into it.
Okay.
Try to nano after we. Actually, you can nano Ryan when we Bop Shatter. I'm going for it.
Ryan, so Discord.
I thought Diva. I thought Diva.
Ryan's
Gotta
low,
go for it
Ryan's
in
low.
3, 2, 1.
Nice,
Ryan,
huge.
Discord.
Kill the Lucio. Huge. Kill the Ryan now? Ryan. We want Ryan, he's charging.
Ryan, Discord.
Low, 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 low.
Action.
Kill the Ryan. We can still win this. Just back up and kill the Ryan.
We need to get out.
Yeah, we're out.
Stay
we're
safe.
Nerf this.
Save some bubbles.
Yeah,
Oh,
That's fine.
Good.
Yeah, get out.
I have trans.
We're already out of the fight. Let's try to farm Bomb before we go in.
They have Shatter. They might have Grav again, honestly, and then they have Beat.
Okay. Try to farm Bomb here, and then
Let's
we
go
can
top, let's
Bomb
go
grab.
Top.
Just don't
Wait. I need help.
Oh shit.
Thank you.
come across.
Zed.
Zed's up top. Let's push him off.
Yeah.
Phase off.
He fell.
Okay.
Lucy.
I'll grab
Push
the
one,
other
drop
back.
on these guys.
Sorry, is low. We have grab bomb
Yeah.
now. I'm ready whenever.
Okay.
Drop
For
it.
it.
Zen, right side.
Save charge for it.
Nice.
Nice.
Big Grav. Or Bomb.
Get
I got her. Don't hit her.
Sorry.
Diva first. D.
Diva. Kill the Diva. We want Diva.
That's free on right.
Diva dead. Or Discord.
We can kill Diva. Nice.
Break.
Break now. Left side. Baby Diva.
Push
Push
up
up a
and see
bit.
if we can stagger these guys.
Okay, you can use. We can Bop Shatter again.
Okay. They have slam. I think. Yeah.
They're getting close.
I'll try to Bop it to the side.
Do they
I'm
have
going up right
grab?
now.
Do they have grab?
I have all.
Ron's on the ground.
Do they have grab?
Oh.
Yes or no?
We got pun.
I don't know.
Kill Ryan. Ryan.
I use slam. What the?
Fuck.
I don't have
It's
it.
okay.
I got it.
Ryan.
We already won the fight. We already won the point, I mean.
Oh, okay.
Kill the brig. Brig one.
You're still down 1.
Alright. It's fine.
I'm speeding us up here.
Hey, Ryan has
Ryan-
no barrier. Ryan has
no
no
barrier,
barrier.
no
Ryan has no barrier. Can we speed in?
I'm still here. I'm still speeding.
Ryan, Discord.
Ryan. Nice, huge anti.
Keep going.
Kill the Zarya.
Keep going.
So cart.
I got. You can take it.
We have bomb shatter.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna put bomb behind them when they start coming in.
Yeah. Let them push out here. Once the Ron pushes.
You need to be aggressive once they do it too. How the fuck do you jump that high?
I'm throwing it behind now. You ready?
Yeah.
Going now.
Nerf this.
Bomb behind.
Nerf this.
I got their baby.
Oh, I got stunned.
Oh, rip.
Motherfucker.
You didn't get out if you can, Ebon.
Thank you.
Okay, we still have Bop Shatter here. Bop Shatter, Nano, Ryan. They used Trance, didn't they?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
I heard in the.
I don't. Yeah, I'm not sure, honestly.
Focus
Okay,
the Ryan
I'm
shield.
gonna go for it now. In 3, 2, 1.
Nice, huge. Kill the brig. Brig.
Fuck,
Kill
I
the
missed.
brig in it. Now the Diva.
Ryan, Discord.
We can still get Ryan.
1 second.
We can kill Ryan.
Beating in.
Oh
Shit.
fuck.
Ryan, kill the Ryan.
Is it for me?
Pressure Ryan.
Ryan 1.
Zen in our team.
Another shatter.
Nice,
Big.
huge.
Run.
Ryan.
Oh, they hit me.
Kill Ryan. Nice.
Diva.
Keep going.
Diva Mac 1.
They're gonna bomb.
No,
Bomb
they don't have
one.
AS, they don't have AS.
Keep 1.
Kill the brig on. Eating. No more. Help our Ryan. Bombing here.
Nerf this.
No charge.
I got their Zen.
Keep
Oh.
Zar. Actually, get Ryan. He's in.
Right, no.
Ryan, Discord. Bubble.
Bubble.
You
Kill
got
the Ryan. Nice.
Nice.
Zarya
Keep
now?
going.
Zarya's low. Very low.
She's one. Nice.
I'm gonna have Beat coming back to try to farm up another shatter.
We only have Brig coming out right. Brig coming out right.
She's asleep. She's asleep.
Just kill her. Just kill her. Just kill her. Kill the Brig. Kill the Brig. Kill the Brig.
Oh, I'm done. I'm dead.
Zen behind. Zen behind.
Brick behind us.
Kill the Zen. Kill the Zen. Zen,
Slamming.
Zen,
2 down. Oh, dead.
Zen. We might want to reset.
Bop Zen out.
Yeah, get just soft reset.
Soft
Soft
reset.
reset.
Careful, Zen.
I'll be able to. We have grabbed this fight. We have grabbed this fight.
Okay.
You gotta speak quick.
They used both
Speed man.
portals.
10 seconds.
Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta go. Someone's
I
got.
have trans. I have trans.
Can you touch? Can you touch or no?
I'm going. I got it. Bopped out Ryan. He's asleep.
Kill the Ryan. Kill the Ryan.
Charging?
Ryan.
Ryan, just go. Ryan, just go.
Focus your grab. Focus your grab. Nice, huge grab.
Get Zen, Zen if you can.
Zen.
Don't Stein on.
Zarya low. Zarya low. Zarya low. You got her.
Zarya now. Zarya now. Zarya now. Zarya now.
Very low. Very low.
Zen.
Zen. Zen. Zen.
Now the diva.
Deed. I bopped her off.
Nice.
Very good.
Ball.
Oh,
Jeez.
Nerf this.
Second round much better than the first.
Yes.
Score 3-3. Switching sides.